Okay, question number 1. Figure 1 shows a program written in Python. Line numbers are included but are not part of the program. 1.1 says, where is an arithmetic operation first used in the program? So arithmetic is maths. So let's have a look. No maths, no maths, no maths. No maths, that's relational. Got mathematical operator on line number 6. So your answer is C. Next question. Which one of the following is false about the program? This program contains a comment. There's a comment on line 1. This program uses assignment. It's assigned A to 1. This program uses concatenation. We go through. There's no concatenation in the program. The answer is C again. Moving on. State the relational operator used in program. The relational operator used in the program. The relational operator. Let's have a look. This is the awkward bit about these exam papers. You've got to go back and forth between pages. So a relation operator is greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. So we've got line 5, the first relational operator, the only relational operator used is on line number 5, and it is less than. And then we need both of these up to do the trace table, which is always quite tricky across 2 pages. So complete the trace table for the program in figure 1. You may not need to use all the rows in the table. So A is assigned to 1, B is assigned to 1, and C is assigned to 5. There's no output yet, while B is less than C. So B is 1, C is 5. A equals A plus A, so that's going to 2. B equals B plus 1, that's going to 2. C, no mention of C at all. So while B is less than C, it still is. 2 is less than 5. We've got A equals A plus A. So now this is going to become 4 because I'm adding 2 to 2, which is 4. And B equals B plus 1. This is going to be 3. You can kind of see the pattern that's happening already. And this is still true. I'm going to go through and A equals A plus A. So this has become 8. This has become 4. This is still true. B is less than C. A equals A plus A. This is going to go to 16. B equals B. 5. And the output is A, which is going to be 16. This now matches, so this is now false. So I don't go back into the while loop. It just prints out A at the end, which is 16.